Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with two colors from Luxie Nail. The first color here, it's called Crepe, and it's a beautiful pink, and it's one of those really fun matte glitters, and it's the beautiful pastel pink. And then we're going to pair it with Thea, which is a really pretty floral dip. Now it's that milky white base, and it has some like pearl flakies to it as well. So it's super pretty, and it really makes those florals and that dip powder pop. So I think these two are perfect for upcoming spring. We are going to be creating a set of press-ons today and using the Luxie Nail dip liquids, and I'm super excited. Now check out this beautiful floral dip. It is heaven. It is so fun. This is the first time that I'm playing with a floral dip, and I am not disappointed at all. So real quick, can we take a moment here for this dip base? This brush is amazing. So this brush is not like a straight line on the tip of the brush. It's kind of has like a half oval, which makes applying the dip base amazing, and it's going to be really great for the cuticle area as well. There's just something about that dip base brush that I'm completely obsessed with it. So you can see here with that first dip, we picked up some flowers. So I'm just taking a precision tool and I'm just cleaning up the sidewalls and moving around any of those flowers and stems that may be sticking up. And don't worry if you do not pick up the desired amount of flowers that you want on that nail with your first or even your second dip, because you can always go ahead and hand place more of those beautiful flowers. Okay, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
sunflower.
Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how soft and pretty is this mani? I think it's perfect for the upcoming spring, and this floral dip was so easy to use and beautiful, and those flowers laid super flat into that nail, and they did not bleed or anything like that with the dip liquids, and it is overall simply beautiful, and I completely am obsessed with how this mani turned out. Don't forget, Luxie Nail has all their new spring dips coming out tonight, and the anniversary dips that are releasing today, Friday, March 10th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So head over to Luxie Nail and check out all the beautiful dips. If you missed the spring collection, I did do a video where I swatched them so you can see all those beautiful colors in action. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.